To create a database, let's run this SQL command. Create database. Database. UEP. Then column and send. Let's go. EP. UEP. Tapos. Now let's use our database name UEP. Use UEP. Go. Okay. To create students table with four column. Let's go to SQL command UEP. Na-select na yung UEP 10. Let's go to SQL command and table. Create table student. Then open student. Student ID. Ay. Auto increment. Primary key. Student name. Varchar. Student name. Varchar. 100. Not now. Null. Email. Varchar. Ay. Kailangan capital eh. Varchar of parentheses and 100. Unique, not now. Unique, not now. For the last column, age, integer. Low. Semicolon. And oops. Student ID is an integer. Automatically increments. This is auto increment. Automatically increment. And is the primary key. Student name is a string. Varchar 100. Wait lang. Varchar 100. With a maximum length of 100 characters. Tapos yung email is a string. Varchar 100. 100 characters din po yung max. And that must be unique. And cannot be null. Not null. And sa age is an integer. And must be provided. Hindi pwedeng blank. Tapos insert natin yung data. Student.
student ID,
student
student
ID,
name,
student
email,
name,
and
email,
age.
and
After
age.
creating the
After
table,
creating the table,
insert a sample
insert a
student
sample
record.
student record.
Is your name
Is
with
your name with
Avaron Zino
Aaron Zino
and
and
SQL.
SQL.
Insert
Into
command para
command para matu.
sino yung nandito?
Kailangan sak, kailangan sak. Maliit, maliit.
Well,
MP in
student ID,
student ID.
student
Student name,
student name,
student name,
tapos student,
student,
tapos student
student
email,
email, and
age, tapos
value,
values
values
is
is wait,
curve, curvy,
curvy,
curves. Tapos curves at gmail.com. Oops. Curves at gmail.com. Yan. Tapos 22.
Tilaw.
Tapos
Yan,
semicolon. So we insert a record
into the
students table.
table.
The student ID
The student
is not
ID is
included
not
in the
included
query
in the
because
query
it
because
auto
it
increments.
auto increments.
Tapos yung
Tapos
student's
yung
name lang po
student's name
ilalagay
lang po
natin.
ilalagay natin.
Yung value ng
Yung
student
value ng student
is curves.
is curves.
My email
My
is
email
curves
is
at
curves at
gmail.com and my
gmail.com
age
and
is
my age is
20.
20.
Now let's insert the data.
insert the data.
Student. Go to Yan na po. Ito. Browse. Try pa natin maglagay ng isa. SQL. Insert into student. Then student name and age. Tapos walang semicolon kasi kailangan natin. Yung value ng columns is values wait tapos series yung email series 08 at gmail.com. Tapos wala yung kailangan yung importante yun. 25. Okay, tapos semicolon. Tapos check natin sa students. Ano po tong
Ano po tong
student's ID,
student ID ni
one unique,
unique
uh, yun yung
yun
siya
yung
na po yung auto
auto
place
place
student's name curves and my email is
my
curves
email
at
is
gmail.com age
curves@gmail.com
20
age 20
and yung
and
pangalawa
yung
pong
pangalawa
in-insert
kong in-insert
student ID
student ID
ay unique na
ay
naman
unique na
na
naman
student
na
ID
student
to
ID to
auto
auto
increment na po siya.
increment na po siya.
Student name,
Student name
Siri 08 at
08 at
gmail.com, age is
gmail.com age
25.
is 25.
Okay.
Okay.